Hi, we are a group of workers of the Universidad Politécnica de Durango. I'm currently studying engineering career in manufacturing technologies.
It is important the basic knowledge of the English language for the development of a career and our work.
In the following video, we'll briefly explain the basic process of plastic molding using the English language. It's very difficult to realize how plastic has become something important in our daily lives. We can see that many things are made of this material. For example, the chair where our seats, the pen which were we write, the clothes we wear are sewn by this material. Look around us, we see how much plastic, but behind these products there are a number of materials and processes that result in what we know now as plastic.
I want to tell of the polymers. The polymers are material easily molded and change their shape by using a series of processes. The most important are extrusion, injection molding, calendering, extrusion flooring, etc. Today we know the injection molding process. To the injection molding process knowledge requires basic classification of plastic and their characteristics. This may be low thermal conductivity, low electrical conductivity, lightweight, and low corrosion.
These materials are classified in thermoplastic and thermoset. Injection molding process is basic. Start with the feeding of solid resin, which is melted to obtain a moldable plastic. Mass is injected with a spell into a mold, which acquires data by geometry and appearance, pressure, and change heat energy exposure. The stages bell for good injection molding process are plasticating, injection, format, solidification, expulsion. The steps of plasticating and injection are performed in the right part of the machine called plasticizing unit. Equipment required to plasticize the polymer is called in any case.
The part of plasticizing unit are hopper, plastic pellets, headers, polymer melt, screw, barrel. The plasticizing unit is formed by two main components of extruder are barrel and screw. That is not a component of extruder. It is a special tool that is fabricated to particular profile to be produced. Extruder rotates around 16 RPM. Internal diameter of barrel typically ranges from 25 to 116 millimeters.
Formal stage solidification and injection is performed in the mold, which is composed of two metal blocks into which has been machined into negative form of the product and gives the name of cavity blocks. In the other parts is added positive and is called hair.
This is process formal solidification and expulsion. In this process, polymer is hit to acrylic plastic stage and forced to flow under high pressure in a mold cavity where is solidifies. complex and intricate shapes are possible to produce. However, the challenge is to design mold so that the part can be ejected successfully. Process is economically large production as the cost of mold is very high. The parameters are physical values that determine the levels and range of operation of the fuel and are divided into the following variables. Main variables: temperature, distance, speed, time, pressure.
The process of classification. The process by which the material passes from the solid state to a plastic state using heat, energy. The temperature at which the polymer melts is called melting point, and its development is different according to their characteristics. A good classification process is based on the quality of the melt and is essential to inject and form the product. Once milled, mass is necessary to move with velocity and pressure through the injection system ducts into the mold cavity.